we're going to bake banana cake for the first time.
It's gonna be so delicious.
Hey, Bowie, how did you become so tall? You're almost taller than me.
I ate more vegetables than you.
Okay, first, let's add butter and spread it around. Go and stick to the pan so it's easier to take it out. Right, Bowie? I finished spreading all of the butter. Now, Bowie, can you put the parchment paper on top?
Okay. Does it stick because of the butter? Now let's mush the bananas.
We need bananas to make the banana cake. So I'm using 3 bananas. Let's first cut the first one, okay? You have to peel the whole thing off. Ooh. Okay, let me just cut this into pieces so we can mush it, okay?
Okay. Bananas in your mouth.
Well, we need them for the cake. Okay, but can you mush them so it's all mushy?
Yay, I love mushing.
Mush them really well. Then it's good for the banana. And I'll cut the rest of the 3 bananas. Keep going. 5 more bananas. Bananas incoming.
Oh no, this is too much for me.
You can do it. The last banana. There you go. Now I think that's all the bananas. All you have to do is just mush them. Until it's so
Wow, the banana is so mushy.
good job. We're almost there.
We're almost done. We've been doing this forever.
Alright, so the next ingredient should be melted butter, I think. Okay, let me add the melted butter inside. Bowie, add the sugar, okay?
Okay. That is so cool.
Next, we have to add 2 eggs.
Now we'll put the egg in.
1 egg. Whee! And the second one. Now I have to mix all of it until the sugar dissolves.
Mix the egg. Mix.
Mix, mix, mix.
Mix, 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 mix. Mix, 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 mix.
Okay, time to add the milk inside.
Yummy milk.
And keep mixing.
Mix, 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 mix.
And a mix. Okay, now we have to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. It smells so good so far. Right, Bowie?
Yeah.
Okay, first we have to add baking flour. One teaspoon of baking soda. 1 teaspoon of baking powder.
Now we have to add 1 pinch of salt.
Now we have to mix everything very well.
Mixing time again. Mix.
Now I'll add the cake batter to the pan.
Pour, pour, pour. Pour, pour, pour. Pour the cake batter.
Look at the cake batter. All you have to do is just bake it now. cut the cake and see how it turned out.